So you want to know how to make money with your phone? Well, you have clicked on the right video. As after watching this video, not only will you know the right apps to download to start making money on your phone, but I will also show you how to maximize your earnings with these apps. I'm your host Jason, and if you like these type of videos on how to make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button as I release daily videos that I'm sure you'll find informative and helpful. The first app that I will be introducing you to is the Make Money app. As you can see here, I'm on their website and it's makemoney.tech, and you can see that their app is available on both the iOS and also Google Play. So that means whether you have an iOS device or you have an Android device, you'll be able to download their app. Let's click on how it works to get some more information on their app. As you can see here, the Make Money app is very simple to use. Getting some extra money really is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. You'll simply earn credit by doing surveys and doing various tasks. And it's very easy to cash out and they pay you via PayPal. So this is definitely a good app to check out if you want to start earning some easy PayPal money. And you can get paid out every 24 hours. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is one of the few apps that actually pay you daily. The next app that I'll be talking about is the Big Time Cash app. They are made by the Winward Games. You may know about them as they make most of the popular apps. As you can see here, this app is also available on both the iOS device and also on Android device. If I should scroll down to read some information about this app, you can see simply choose one of the many different games in Big Time and collect tons of tickets. The more tickets you earn, the higher your chance of winning the cash prizes. And again, you'll be able to cash this out via PayPal or if you want a bank transfer or so on. And you can see the different games that they offer. As you can play this one, this one. There are numerous games that you can choose from to start making money with your phone and also by enjoying yourself. So when you have free time, you can definitely play one of these games and start earning. And as you can see here, here are a few persons that actually use these apps and are making good money. As you can see here, this was posted on March 16, 2021, and this girl was paid $3,710. And you can see she said she was able to start paying off her student loan debt. And you can see here, this is up to May. So you can see that persons are actually making real money off these apps. The next app that I will be showing you is called Killy.io. This app now, as you may know, your data is being explored and sold by apps such as Facebook and Instagram and all different type of apps. So why don't you get money from your data? The thing about this app now is you'll be selling them information basically. So just like how your data is being supplied to various companies for free, you'll be able to now start making money from it. They are actually very easy to sign up, and the amount of money that you make from this app all depends on the amount of information that you are willing to share. It's as simple as that, and you can use this app whether you are using an iOS device or an Android device. The next app that I will be talking about is Daring Descent. This app you'll be able to play games and make money. It's available on both Android and iOS device again. As you can see here, Daring Descent is the only app where you can make real money playing free video games. So you'll be getting paid to actually play video games, sorry. And you can see that it has a high ratings of 4.4. If we should scroll down and read some of the reviews from users, you can see nice app. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I just want to suggest to the developer to remove some ads. As you can expect, majority of these apps are going to have quite a few ads. But that's the least of it, as you'll be able to make money from it. As you can see here, this is on June 30th, 2021, and this fellow was paid $13 Canadian. The other app that I'll be showing you is pureprofile.com. And again, with this app, you'll be rewarded for taking surveys and doing various tasks. That's it. You'll simply tap on start earning, and you can do different surveys. If I should tap on it, I'll be led to this page, on which you can see earn rewards for being exactly who you are. So you'll get paid by simply sharing your opinion. You'll get a question, you'll answer it, and then you'll get paid. It's as simple as that. Just for sharing your opinion, you can earn cash, gift cards, movie tickets, or you can earn money via PayPal, or you can get various discounts. It's as simple as that. The other app that I'll be showing you, and the last and final one, is one called Vetri. It's actually a new app that is still in the beta phase, so you can sign up to be one of the first ones to sign up to this app. So as soon as it is released, you will know and can start reaping benefits from it. This is an app that you will be rewarded, as you can see here, gift cards, various gift cards. You can earn free gift cards using this app. If you find this information helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the like button. And thank you for watching.